Hey YouTube, this is Southern Purple 1. The news today will just blow your mind. It can't get any more crazier. Let's just start out with the General Dynamics new artillery plant. It's 155 millimeter shells that it's making. It's in Texas, and you can pretty much look it up where it is. And they're going to be producing, when they get to their peak capacity, 30,000 shells a month. There's two other plants in Pennsylvania, and between them, they're hoping by 2025 they can produce 100,000 rounds of 155. Russia produces 250,000 per month. So even when we get our full capacity, not even close to what Russia's doing. The crazy thing is, if we go to war, there's 3 plants. These plants are known. Anyone can find them. Not worried about what happens if all of these people that are coming across the border, some of them are sleeper cells. What happens if they attack the infrastructure to support the plants? They don't have to get onto the actual plant. If they take care of the electricity running to the plant, it's going to cause mayhem. Do all these plants have emergency backup? I don't know. I don't think so. But very vulnerable to only have 3 locations to make 155 shells. And everyone knows where they are. Easy. I haven't confirmed this. I would love to know. I've heard a couple people, which no confirmation that a Turkish company helped us build this plant. I don't know if that's true, but it'd be sad to know that that's true. Because let's say we need to get a 4th or 5th or 6th plant running, and there's a war going on. That company might not be able to help us. Or, how do you know Turkey's going to be on our side? Yes, they are a NATO country, but they're also a Muslim country, so there could be a lot of problems. Also, did you see what good old Secretary of State Blinken said? He says Ukraine is on a pathway to membership in NATO. They're going to push it through in July or come really close to doing it, because then if NATO has a new member, Ukraine, we're authorized to go in and help them. The whole world is moving towards that in Europe to help Ukraine with troops and boots on the ground. It's going to happen. Russia is getting very upset. Russia, in my view, might use a tactical nuclear weapon in a training environment, and they should. The powers that be need to see a mushroom cloud to maybe bring them back to their senses, but it probably won't. This is moving closer and closer every day. Every news story, everything I hear from people overseas is their war is going to happen unless the adult in the room stands up and says, hey, we need to get to the peace treaty table right now. Russia is not going to tolerate more attacks further into their country. Most of the world has authorized any of their weapons to be used against Russia proper. And Russia says, if you do that, you're going to be a partner in this war. We're going to attack you, and rightfully so. Also, President Biden said that Gaza was going to need to be rebuilt, and U.S. is going to be right there helping rebuild. So we pay for it to be destroyed. Now we have to rebuild it. If anything needs to get rebuilt, it's our cities, it's our infrastructure, it's our subways, it's our bridges. They're all falling apart. And we don't really have money for that. We'll have to go into debt for that. But no, I'm not for rebuilding Gaza. I'm not for arming Israel. I'm not for arming Ukraine. I'm for peace. And you're not going to get the peace when you're throwing around all kinds of billions of dollars and all kinds of armaments all over the world. So continue prepping. Keep your eye on the Middle East. Keep your eye on Ukraine and Russia. Things are not looking good. And there's a reason they're pushing this, the powers that be. But the only thing you can do is pray. After pray, do some preparations. Get ready for what's coming. Thanks for watching.